creature so loud it could kill you, and incredible jaw-dropping footage of unbelievable natural events that produce the loudest sounds known to man. Sit back and turn your volume down. Here are the top 6 loudest sounds of Mother Nature caught on camera. Know before you go! Number 1. The Lesser Water Boatman. The Lesser Water Boatman, or Micronecta Scholtzi, is just 2 millimeters long. The male of the species plays a courtship song by rubbing a ridge on its penis over other ridges on its abdomen. Using this method, the water boatman can produce a whopping 99.3 decibels. Louder than a passing freight train from an area no bigger than a human hair. Although scientists know how the sound is physically produced, they still don't know how it can be so loud. Once the process is understood, it could open up new avenues in the study of ultrasonics. Number 2. Volcanic eruption. One of the loudest sounds Mother Nature can produce. In 1883, when Krakatoa erupted, it produced a sound of around 180 decibels. 150 decibels is enough to burst your eardrums, and 185 to 200 will kill you. The Krakatoa eruption was heard clearly from over 3,000 miles away. Number 3. Meteor. The 1908 Tunguska meteor event is known as the largest and loudest impact event to have happened in recorded history. The event caused an airburst that flattened 80 million trees and produced a sound of between 300 and 315 decibels. Number 4. Sperm whale. The sperm whale is an animal so loud it can kill you. Even though the blue whale is thought to be the loudest animal on Earth, its whistles reaching an astounding 188 decibels, the sperm whale's clicks, even though lower in frequency, have been recorded at a whopping 230 decibels. If you're enjoying this video, please give us a quick like, it helps a lot. Number 5. Lightning. Lightning isn't just loud, it's fast and dangerous. In close proximity to lightning, when it strikes, sound levels are between 165 and 180 decibels. So even if you're lucky enough to have not been struck by lightning, it could still blow your eardrums out. Number 6. Earthquakes. Earthquakes are themselves similar to sound in that they are composed of vibrations, so therefore an earthquake with a magnitude of 5 on the Richter scale is very loud. So loud in fact that if you were unfortunate enough to be on the ground at the epicenter, the intense vibrations and noise would shake you to death before any falling debris could. Which of these sounds impressed you the most? Comment below and please subscribe and like for more.